Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me, Kianu Azman. Yet again, I'm hosting Faith You Podcast, brand new episode. And this time, I'm with the Muslim undertaker, Brother Ahmad Hirashi from Sydney, Australia. And we talked a lot about, preparing ourselves for the afterlife.
It will be out soon. It will be unbelievable. We touch on about ghusl, about barzakh life, about death, and about janazah, about all the aspects of the hereafter.
And one of my favorite things in this episode is really about the beauty of janazah prayers. So if you want to learn more about this, please check out the latest episode of our Faith You podcast on our YouTube channel, and follow us and subscribe as well on YouTube, and follow us on our Instagram at Faith You Podcast.
I hope you can watch it. I hope we can all benefit from it. I hope you make the art for us. Allah bless them, reward them, and keep them using them for good, inshallah.
Ameen, Ya Rabbal Alameen. Thank you, Brother Ahmad.